Okay guys, mount your camera on a tripod. You can use portrait mode. Remember, you are recording 2 videos here. Then you walk in. Before then, you have placed your bottle and bring your water. What you need is to start pouring your water. As you can see me pouring my water. Pour your water until the bottle gets filled up. Alright, just keep pouring your water until this bottle get filled up with this water. That is all you need here. As you can see that I'm pouring my water. By the time you finish pouring it, you can decide to do a thumbs up. You can decide to point to the bottle like I've just done. After the whole drama now, you can just walk out. Remember, you are coming back for the second time. You are recording 2 videos. As you come in the second time now, all you need to just do is to make a stand. All right, you can decide to stand one place. You can decide to be shaking yourself like you have seen me do here. Then after some few seconds or few minutes, depending on how you want your video to last, you can now walk out. Okay, save the video to your gallery and head over to CapCut. Okay guys, click on CapCut, new project there. Import this your video to workspace. Click on your video, click on volume, reduce it to 0, mark on this good, you go back, locate where you want your video to start, come back. Before you walk into the scene, you make a split here and delete this first part. Let's locate where we want the video to end. Okay, after pouring the water, you do a thumbs up. Then you are going to be clicking it here to make a split. All right, delete this last part. Then you come back. As you come back now, you are going to click it and expound it and position it the way you want to look like. After that, we are going to be adding some brightness to the video. So you click it now, then you go and look for adjust. Okay, click on adjust here, click on brightness, then you can adjust it maybe to 5 or thereabout. After that, click on sharpen, then finish it to 100%. You click on clarity and make it 50. After the whole adjustment, you mark on that good now. Then you are going to be going back. You locate, click on that arrow there because we want to click on overlay. So click on this arrow, click on overlay here, look at it, add overlay now. Import this your second video to workspace, click on volume and reduce it to 0, mark on this good and go back. You are going to locate where you want this your second video to start from. All right, make a split here and delete the first part. Then you can click it and drag it a little bit. You locate where you want it to end. All right, before you walk out, click here and make another split and delete that last part. Then you come back. As you come back now, you are going to be clicking it to look for remove BG. Guys, locate remove BG. Click on remove BG auto removal. Then you allow it to remove completely. As you can see that it is applying. Okay, but don't forget to like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. All right, if you have any magic tricks or effects you would like us to create together, drop them at the comment section. Okay, you can smash your notification bell so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials. Okay, welcome back to this tutorial, guys. As you can see that is still removing. Okay, you just give it a little time, wait for it to remove completely. Okay, at this point I remove completely, mark on that good there, then you go back. So at this point now you want to drag it to the place where it's going to be. Okay, so drag it. After dragging it, you are clicking on that second layer to crumple this guy here. Make him smaller and place him on that bottle how you want him to be. Okay, that is the next thing. After placing him, we are going to go and look for adjust. Do your necessary adjustment, click it, locate mask, look for mask now. Click on mask, look at mask there, click on horizontal. Then you can click it again click on feather. All right, click on feather. You can add feather 5, just 5, after which you mark on that arrow and go back. Then you turn this your horizontal line here, turn it. After turning it, you bring it down, you are adding keyframe to this second layer. Make sure it's at the beginning, then you add your keyframe, then you start adjusting your video. Then as your water is pouring, you are revealing yourself to the point of the water. Okay, use that line. As the water is pouring, you are dragging that line up to where the water stop. Okay, don't pass the water, so that your work will be neat and good. So as you are adjusting your video, you can see that the water is coming up. You are adjusting your horizontal line to the point of the water. Okay, just follow what I am doing so that you do your own. It will look professional. Look at what I am doing. Do it gradually. Yes, it meant small. Still adjust the video again, then you can finish it up. Now look at you there. So at this point, you mark on this good, as we are going to be playing this video from the beginning. Okay, so play the video from the beginning now. Okay, as far as I'm concerned, this video is ready. Remember to add your sound effects, your light effects, and every other effect, and after adding them, you can now export your video to your gallery. If you don't know how to add those things and you are saying, I want you to put me through, don't worry. At the description of this video, my number is there. You can DM me directly. I'll put you through on how to add your sound effect, your light effect, and every other effect. And after that, you can now export your video with ease. Okay. At this point, the next thing we are going to be doing is to click on export. So click on that export there, then you allow your video to export. As you can see, it's exporting the size patient. Now this video I've installed in your gallery. You can now share it to your social media handles. But guys, don't forget to like, comment, and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. If you are just coming across our YouTube channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Just in case you have a magic trick or effect you want us to create together, drop them at the comment section. All right, smash your notification bell so that YouTube will always notify you anytime we drop a new video. Okay, thank you for watching, guys. See you in our next video.